Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Messes with Michelle. If you're returning, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Michelle. In today's video, I'm starting to pack up all my fall decor, and I'm also going to be organizing it. I've had my decor for a few weeks, so I'm ready to reset the house. I really like to reset the house between Thanksgiving and the Christmas holiday season. I live here in Canada, so we've already celebrated Thanksgiving in October, and it's past November. I'm actually filming this on November 3rd, so I thought it was a good time to pack up all my fall decor. On this day, the clocks also fell backwards 1 hour, so I was up early. I felt super productive by getting that 1 hour back, and I was able to just start cleaning around the house. So the day felt really extended when I was cleaning up around the house on this particular day. So if you need some cleaning motivation, or if you also want to put away your fall decor and just reset before the Christmas holiday season, hopefully this gives you the motivation. It's going to be a high tempo video with some music, so if you want to listen along and clean along, definitely hopefully you stick around and do that with me. As I was cleaning up my fall decor, I have to let you know that I was getting overwhelmed. I had so much fall decor in different areas of the house, so I was running around trying to pick up all the fall decor and get it organized into this one bin. So if you are someone who doesn't love organizing or gets overwhelmed, you're not alone. I try to enjoy organizing, but it's really tough for me because I just get that overwhelming feeling of everything's everywhere, and I'm just trying to shove everything back into this one bin. So I'm going to just put everything in this one bin at the moment, but then later on in this video, I go back and I just have to start reorganizing it because it just got out of control. There was a lot of stuff in here I really didn't need, so I thought it'd be a great opportunity to just clean it up before putting everything away for another season. I'm using my Ladybug Starfrit handheld vacuum on my table. I have a lot of nooks and crannies on the table, and this is a perfect vacuum if you have a textured table like I do to get into the small nooks and crannies, any sort of dust or debris that gets onto the table. I have an entire video of a test and review of this vacuum, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave a card up top for you. Now I'm jumping into my living room and I'm going to clean off my mantle. In my last video, I had a few decorations for Halloween, so I'm taking those down and I'm going to just quickly dust off the mantle and just reset the mantle with a few new flowers just so this way it doesn't look bare. So I'm just going to share with you a little story time as I clean my living room. In my last video, if you watched it, I shared cleaning my living room rug as well as my couch, and it smelled so nice and fresh in the house, and it just was nice to have those two areas nice and cleaned. But shortly after that video was filmed, Buster went outside and he was skunked. And when I tell you that smell was putrid, it was absolutely disgusting. I did not expect it to be so pungent, and it didn't even smell like your typical skunk smell. It smelled like disgusting rotten garlic mixed in with burnt rubber. It was just absolutely horrifying. So we made a quick run to the vet, got some skunk shampoo, we scrubbed down Buster, but that smell was lingering in the house for a few days, and even anything that was around the smell, it just kind of sucked up that odor and it just smelled like burnt rubber. So the house kind of has gone back to normal, but I have to tell you, I am never hoping to have to experience that again, because that was absolutely 100% the worst smell I've ever smelled in my life. Now I'm going into the kitchen, and Bobby was out of town when this was filmed, so this mess is all me. So I live up to my name, Messes with Michelle. I have a lot of dishes to put away on the counter, as well as unload the dishwasher, do some dishes, and just tidy up around the kitchen to get the space refreshed again.
Where I can see what's behind. Oh.
I'm using Mr. Clean Freak to clean out the stainless steel sinks, and I'm also going to use the Rubbermaid Reveal spin brush to clean out all the nooks and crannies, especially in the drain. I find this little tiny brush is perfect for cleaning out small nooks and crannies and getting into these small crevices around the sink. I've had this for a few years and it's just amazing. It's just like an oversized electric toothbrush. It has a rotating head. So if you're looking for something for a quick little cleanup and you wanted something small to be more precise with your cleaning, definitely check out the Rubbermaid Reveal. The wall by the kitchen has got a lot of high traffic and a lot of scuff marks, so I picked up a Mr. Clean eraser to get rid of all these scuff marks. I wish I had this little eraser when I made my video when I cleaned my front hallway entrance because it came in so handy. So I'm just going to buff out all of these scrapes, going to clean the floors with my Bissell Crosswave, just do a quick vacuum, and then this area will be nice and clean. That's a wrap on fall 2024 decor. It's all put away nicely and neatly for another year, and it's also a wrap on this video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you stuck around to the end, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope this gave you some motivation if you had to clean around the house, or if you just wanted to relax and watch me clean. I hope you enjoyed it as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video when I upload next. Bye!